Namaste everyone, this is your Noble Srinivasan from Natural Yogis.
Today let's see why Kapotasana is the best hip opening yogasana.
Kapotasana means pigeon pose. Why actually it is so famous for hip opening? Because in hip opening, the most of the people have the hip joint stiffness because the hip and the hip socket of your pelvic and the hip bone, the thigh, actually locked in a ball and socket type of joint, where the leg is always, the joint is more locked inside, so it is not able to move the legs wider. So this hip opening actually helps while doing the exercise. The back leg is pulled backward and the front leg muscles run towards the forward, so it relieves opening the groin, relieving the hip muscles to move apart little wider, and relieving the leg joints exactly from the front little outward and back leg little backward, that the thighs are open and the hip joints are open and your glute muscles are open, that it makes your inner hamstring thighs, everything becomes flexible and loose. That's why it's called the best hip opening exercise. When your hips are loose, your lower back problem is never happening, because the tailbone is what getting compressed between the hip bone, that is making your lower back and the complete nervous system stiff while bending forward and back, and that's causing lot of tension to your sciatica nerve, where you feel lot of numbness during walking and bending forward and backward. And it also happens because of the stiffening nerves, the spine gets tight and you lead to slip disc also. Try to perform this for regularly 2 to 3 weeks. You automatically feel splitting the legs 180 degree much easier, because the hamstring opens, but do it very slowly. Don't focus at the posture, focus at the stretch. Meditate while doing and focus on breathing out more. The more you breathe out, the stretching increase more smooth and light, and you can feel lot of blood circulation running from the head to toes more freely. Thank you.